Okay guys, so the market is actually doing quite incredible. So we do see a bounce here, which I've been telling you that is going to come, and I said that, you know, this is an incredible buying opportunity. You have to buy this dip. I tweeted this 2 days ago. It will also come sooner and much more impulsive than you think. But the question really is this the reversal? That's the main question. Is this actually the reversal that we're waiting for? And I'm not sold on the idea. So I want to update you on what I think is going to happen, how you could potentially play this, and of course, how I'm playing this. Now, I told you here, we have taken this 𝗙𝗡𝗙𝗙 position. I'm updating you in the Telegram. It's completely free, link in the description. But I've been telling you that I'm getting into these positions, and we're up about 92% on this 𝗙𝗙𝗙 position. And most importantly, I do think this could be one of the best opportunities to start layering in and getting into the market. I'll give you all that. Guys, my name is 𝗙𝗡𝗙. I've been here since 2016. If this is the first time you're watching, I just give you a very fast, concise explanation of the market and really how you can navigate it. I'll show you what I'm doing with my own money in this market. I've screwed up everything that you can imagine. So I hope these short videos will help you navigate the market. So let's talk about this. Number one, again, if you don't follow my content, I think you're making a big mistake. You should turn the bell notification on, subscribe and all that. But I've been explaining throughout these shows, I've been telling you exactly what I'm doing, and we called it perfectly. I said we're gonna have a pullback. We did have a pullback. I said we're gonna go down to the 3.6, between 3.45 and 3.6 trillion. Why? Because there is something called the daily equilibrium. So if I look at the daily chart here, and I pull a simple Fibonacci tool. This is actually just a simple Fibonacci in terms of, you can go here, you can pull the Fibonacci tool. It's gonna be, there is a Fibonacci tool here. Hold on a second, why is it not there? It's here. You can go, it's here, sorry. So you go Fib retracement, and then you just double click the Fibonacci, and then you can take out the zeros, the 0.5 and the 1, and then you're gonna get this, and it will show you where the 50% level is. And so why is that important? Is because 50% is where the market makers usually drive the price back down, okay? So you can see it either pulling from here or from here. It jumps down to the 50%, which is down at 3.56, 3.6-ish. And from the moment I've been calling for 3.6 trillion up here, and we have had a 3% bounce on the total since then, and you see, of course, the market is bouncing hard. So why am I saying 3.6 and 3.45? Because we don't really know where the 50% is coming. Is it coming on the daily or it's coming on the weekly? If it's coming on the weekly chart, the 50% level would be down here at 3.45, but in bull markets, they do not always hit. So there could be the bottom in right now. If you look at this, you go down into the hourly chart and you get a bounce from the 50% level. You do have a market structure shift, which is basically a higher high here, which signals that there is going to be a reversal on the lower time frame. I mean, this could very well be the bottom. This could be the bottom, and we could start going higher. There is a little bit of uncertainty here, and the bounce is not a V-shaped, very strong recovery, and also it's nothing on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, still not a V-shaped recovery. There is no 3 consecutive candles here, so this doesn't count. This is just a simple retrace, which could result in continuation down. Now, you might be thinking, what the hell is this guy talking about? So let me make it simple. One is trading comes back to understanding. I was actually looking at that camera the whole time. So trading comes back to you understanding yourself and understanding the probabilities. This is a game of probabilities. Okay, no one actually knows what's gonna happen. What I know is the following. There are 2 main outcomes, and you have to prepare for both. One is that we're going to see a 1 hour, we have a 1 hour higher high here. We are going to either see a push from here or just a consolidation and then a push. But I do believe that this is a safe place to buy with a stop loss down here, or just start layering in. I'll help you in a second how to do that. But this bottom should hold temporarily, okay? Not forever, temporarily, until we do see a 50% retrace, which is going to be up here at 3.75. So I do think that this here, especially if we could get a flush here, would be incredible, because if it comes down like this, then you can start layering in all the way, and then just start getting just layering out as we go up into this rejection zone here. So ultimately, I do think that the local bottom is in. And I do think that we can see, if we see this, you have to layer in. There is no other option. You have to layer in, not financial advice, because that is going to be the next explosive growth. Or we can see a pump here, but then we have to be very, very cautious, because if we pump, that means we leave liquidity behind, and we're coming back for a 50% retrace, which can result in another flush down to the 3.45 trillion mark. How do I know which one is going to happen? It's quite simple. If we, before hitting, and this is the important part, before hitting the 50% here, before hitting 3.47, if we see a retrace, you have to buy that retrace. I am buying that retrace. I'm going to take positions. I'm going to update you on the Telegram here. And of course, every single day I'm dropping a video like this. So I'm going to update you. And also I'm obviously going to use the bots. Like this is literally the best time. This is what bots are made for. So I do have these bots. You do have all the links. You can have my bots trade for you completely for free. You can sign up and you can get $1,000 sign up bonus. There's a link on top of the description and in the pinned comments. You can go and check them out. But if you look at these are longer term bots that will help you in the next 3 months. And some of them are in minus. So you see some of them are up like 44%, 5%, 56%. I took all these with you here on the show. But then there is one 41% down, 8% down, 12% down. But the reason why I'm not even worried that these are down, because this is exactly what the bots are doing. Of course, the market is dumping. And the tokens are down 10, 15%. But this is what they're doing. They're layering in. And this is the perfect time to layer in. So I do believe that this is the way forward. I'm going to put more bots up here. But go and check them out. Link in the description. So this is what I'm going to do. But only if... I mean, the bots are long term. So I'm going to do them anyway. But I'm only going to layer in if we do not hit the 50% level first, 3.74. If we hit this level... I will look for a rejection. It's still an incredible buy because this can be the ultimate bottom. But if we see a rejection above the 50%, because let's be very real, this is a very strong supply zone. So if I look at this here, which is straight, literally right above the 50% mark. So anywhere here, I see a rejection, meaning a lower low on a lower time frame, being that 15-minute or an hourly. I am going to close some of my long positions that I have open here manually. And I'm not going to close my bots. We're going to look at it, but I'm going to might change the character. So I'm going to update you on that. But I do think the bots are great for, this is exactly what the bots are made for layering in situations like this. So if you haven't gotten them already, I think it's incredible. Okay, so if we see a lower time frame rejection, we're gonna see a retrace, and this is where I'm probably gonna get out most of my positions or sell again 30% to be able to buy back lower, because there's a possibility that we go to 3.45. I hope this makes sense. So this is what I'm going to do. And again, I do think that for now, I believe it's an incredible opportunity to layer into positions. And that means that I'm going to set up multiple bots, because I don't have time to do this manually, and I actually don't even want to. I'm going to set up multiple bots that will layer in between these regions. So whatever token you do, if you look at, let's say I'm going to look at BNB, I think it's going to be a great buy. BNB, did it make a higher high? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. No, it's not really strong, so I'm not going to look at that. But I'm going to look at Doge, for example. Doge made a higher high here. Simple. So I'm going to set up a bot that the bottom of the bot is here, and the top of the bot is all the way up there, because this could be the bottom, and this is what they are made for. But also, I'm going to wait for a 50% retrace. I'm going to take some manual positions. So I'm going to wait for a 50% retrace down here, for example, in Doge, 0.195. The problem is it might not even come. So this is why layering in is the way forward. And then I'm going to wait for a retrace up here to the 3.74 and see and decide what we do there. But I'm going to immediately update you in this short form content. Guys, if you appreciate this content, please let me know in the comment section below. Again, hand on my heart thing, this is the moment for you to start layering in. If you're not, I'm 100% in spot. If you're not in spot, I mean, that's not a no-brainer. If you are opening manual positions with maybe higher leverage and tighter stop loss, I would wait a little bit, but that you're risking missing the run. And if you are not in, if you're not taking any positions, this is why the bots are perfect, because you don't have to time it. It can go lower, it can go higher. You will make money, especially if you get in now when you can see the 50% retrace. So do that. And also check out this video if you don't know anything about bots. These are not the AI whatever bots. And the reason why I'm talking that much about it, because I'm literally helping you break through with financial freedom. And I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, think this is the way forward. I set these up on my characters. I know that they're not going to get wrecked because they are positioned, so they have the daily low. So this is, so to say, a safe way for the next 2-3 months for you to trade without actually doing any effort with it. So check this video out on how they work, and if you want to set up your own on your own token, subscribe here and come back for another one tomorrow. Guys, I truly appreciate you watching this show, and I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Take care. See ya.